how to save drafts on Instagram in 2021. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now what you want to do is click on the plus icon at the top right corner, then select post, and you just want to select anything you want. So I'm just going to select this random photo real quick I just took for this video. So once you've selected that, you can just click on next, and then what you want to do is click on edit and add at least just a little bit of brightness. So I'm just going to add one, not even noticeable, but you got to do that. Once you've done that, click on next, then type something in the caption. It doesn't matter what, but you have to type in some, at least like one letter or one word, and then just hit OK and go back. Then go back once again, and then right now it says save draft or discard. Now we want to save it as a draft, of course. So once we've done that, you can scroll up and you can see drafts, and then if you click on it and then click on next, you can post it immediately. So that's basically it. That's how you can save a draft on Instagram in 2021. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.